So in today's video, I am going to be doing a full review of a tool called CreateNova AI. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it does, and whether it's actually worth your money. So if you are thinking about getting this tool, just stick around and watch this video till the end before you make any decision. So let me first tell you what this tool actually is and why people are so excited about it. See, right now, most of us are using so many different AI tools, right? Like we use one tool for writing, another one for making videos, another one for voiceovers, another one for designs, and all of these tools charge you every single month. So by the end of the month, when you add it all up, you are easily spending $500 or even more just to keep everything running. And honestly, it gets very tiring logging into so many different platforms, managing so many subscriptions. It's just a mess. So what CreateNova AI is trying to do is very simple. They want to bring all of these tools into one single place, one login, one dashboard, and you get access to hundreds of AI tools together. You don't need to jump between different apps anymore. Everything is sitting right there in one place. And the best part, you don't pay every month for this. Right now, you can get access to the whole platform for just $17.95. That's a one-time payment. So you pay once and you are done. No monthly bills, no recurring charges. Which honestly, compared to what you would normally spend on all these tools separately, is a really good deal. Okay, so now let me show you what this tool actually looks like from the inside. I'm going to walk you through the demo so you can see exactly what you are getting. So the first thing that caught my attention is the VSL and ad copy generator. What you do is you just paste any sales page link, hit scrap, and that's it. From that one scrap, the tool can generate unlimited video scripts, ad copy, VSLs, whatever you need, as many times as you want. You scrap once and then you can keep generating forever. For anyone who does affiliate marketing or writes copy, this one tool alone is honestly very useful. And sitting right next to it, you also get a full content generator, a prompt generator, an AI chatbot that can put on any website, a template library with hundreds of ready-to-use options, a short video finder, and an agency panel where every person you add gets their own separate workspace. So it's not just one tool, there is a whole content suite built around it. Now, let's talk about the audio section because this one genuinely surprised me. There is a voice cloning tool inside here. You upload just a few seconds of someone's voice, type in whatever script you want, and the tool will speak that script in that exact voice. That's it. That's the whole process. And around that, you also get a voiceover tool with 66 different voices, a music generator, a full song generator that actually sings your lyrics, a tool that can re-sing any song from a YouTube link, a vocal isolator, and video dubbing that can translate any video into a different language automatically. Moving on to the video section, and this is where things get really interesting. The standout feature here is image to video. You take one single still photo, upload it, type a short line describing what kind of movement you want, and that frozen picture literally starts moving. You get a full video out of just one video. On top of that, there is text to video, a scene maker that builds multi-scene videos from your images, a video upscale tool, and face swap where you can put any face into any video. Then there is the image suite which has 6 tools, and the one I want to highlight is object removal. You upload a photo, you just paint over whatever you want gone and it disappears. Clean, simple, done. You also get an AI image generator with a whole wall of different art styles, a background remover that works on both images and videos, image upscaling, image restoration for old or blurry photos, and an image to image tool where you can do things like turn a summer photo into a winter scene with just one prompt. There is also a face and portrait section which has face generation, face swaps, and then there is the AI headshot tool, which is probably the most practical tool in this entire platform. You just upload a normal casual photo of yourself, describe what kind of look you want, and it gives you back a clean professional headshot ready for your resume, your LinkedIn, your profile. After that, there is an interior and space section. You can redesign any room while keeping the same layout. Decorate rooms, turn floor plans into actual rendered room visuals, restore building exteriors, and even change the entire environment around a house while keeping the house itself exactly the same. And then finally, there is a 3D section. You just type a description and it builds an actual 3D model from nothing but text. There is also image to 3D, which turns flat pictures into 3D characters, and a multi-view tool that takes one product photo and automatically shows it from every single angle. Really useful if you are selling products online. Now let's talk about the price, because I think this is actually the most important part for a lot of you. So right now the front end price of CreateNova AI is just $17.95, and this is a one-time payment. You pay once and you get access to everything. No monthly fees, no recurring charges, nothing like that. You just pay once and it's yours. And on top of that, I also have two coupon codes for you that will bring the price down even more. The first one is CNOV35AI. Use this and you will get 35% off the full funnel. The second one is CNOVEI3 off. Use this and you get a flat $3 off. So make sure you use one of these codes when you are checking out, so you don't pay full price. And if you are still feeling a little unsure about it, there is also a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get inside, try everything out and feel like it's just not for you, you can ask for a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. So there is really no risk here at all. You can try it, and if you don't like it, you get your money back. Simple as that. Now before I wrap up, I want to tell you about something special that I'm offering to everyone who buys through my link. When you get CreateNova AI through the link in the description below, you are also going to get 21 exclusive bonuses from me completely free. These are bonuses that I have put together specifically for my viewers, and you won't get these anywhere else. You only get them when you buy through my link. So you are basically getting the tool plus 21 extra bonuses on top of everything, all for that one low price we just talked about. I think that's a pretty solid deal, honestly. The link to get CreateNova AI is right there in the description below, and remember to use the coupon code before you check out. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you have any questions about CreateNova AI, just drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help you out. I will see you in the next one.